Hello guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Rukhsar Ahmed from Bizistech. Today we are going to talk about what is individual listing and what is parent listing. First of all, we will talk about what is individual listing. An individual listing is a product information page each sold on Amazon. Amazon usually include relevant information of product like name, description, price and review. Let's move on how individual listing looks like. So as you can see that this listing has only one color, which you can see it's only white, and these reviews are only for this listing. So let's move to the disadvantage of individual listing. If you have a multiple listing and you are selling with individual listings and competitors are selling with variations, then assuredly you will get low sales as compared to your competitors. So let's move on. What is parent listing? The parent listing is an entity which is not buyable. It is used to rate the child products. The parent listing are superior when selling on Amazon. If you are selling different variations such as flavor, color, size of an item on Amazon, you should always create them a parent-child listing, not as a separate listing. So let's move how parent-child listing looks like. As you can see that there are three variations, as we know that it's color variation, and the ratings you can see 154, and this is the combination of all three variations. So let's move to the advantage and disadvantage of parent-child listing. The first point is same visibility. The visibility of parent-child listing is pretty much same as individual listing. The best thing is that when the people discover your listing and click on it, and they can see your other variants, and it means we are giving them more choices to buy your product. And the next point is cross-selling ability. The third point is more reviews through review grouping. Benefit of parent-child listing a group review. Amazon will combine your all reviews and rating. Suppose if you have 5 listing and each listing have 5 reviews, then when you will create a parent-child listing, it will combine your all the rating and reviews. The next point is parent-child listing can rank higher. Amazon will boost them and make their rank higher. And the 5th point is recommended by Amazon. Amazon always recommend the parent-child listing as compared to individual listing. Next, move to the cons of parent-child listing. Bad rating of one variation can hurt overall review rating. If you combine all the review and rating, and if you have one negative review, it will hurt your all listing. And the next point is only one variation will show for keyword search at the same time. Thanks for watching and keep visiting our channel. To get more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.